entrusted to my care last fall. I give him back pounds heavier, inches taller, months wiser, more responsible, and more mature best of all. Although we would have attained this growth in spite of me, it is my pleasure and privilege to watch his personality grow. I give him back reluctantly for having spent this year together. We have grown close, we have become part of each other, and shall retain a little of each other forever. 10 years from now, if we meet on the street, a light will shine when our eyes meet. We have lived, loved, laughed, played, studied, learned, and enriched our lives together this year. I wish it could go on indefinitely, but I must give him back with a tear in my eye. Remember that I shall always be interested in your child and his destiny. Wherever he goes, whatever he does, whoever he will be. His joys and sorrows, I'll be happy to share. I'll always be his friend, and please know I'll always care.